I had test anxiety so bad, particularly during nursing school, and it really affected the grades that I got. It really affected how confident I felt during my exams, and it was a huge struggle. My name is Regina Callion, and I am the creator of ReMar Review, and I am here to offer you a solution to your test anxiety. I have studied, I have researched, and I've actually overcome my test anxiety, and so I want to share the way I did it in my 2-day workshop that I created for nursing students. If you'd like to sign up, I want you just to click the link, because it's time that we finally address the different types of anxiety that nursing students have. Also, strategies that can help you immediately deal with them, whether you're in front of the exam or at home studying. This is an opportunity for so many nursing students to conquer their test anxiety. And let me tell you, when you do, you no longer have to fear forgetting all the things you studied when you enter the room. You no longer have to get a poor grade, even though you studied really hard. So with this workshop, we're going to break away. We're going to break away from the things that have been holding us back because we cannot control our anxiety. So I want to see you there. I'm excited to share with you the way that I've mastered test anxiety, and I'm looking forward to a breakthrough for nursing students all over. So sign up today. You can get my workbook that we're going to be doing for the workshop, and I promise you, you will have a better understanding of test anxiety, and you will be officially a part of the ReMar nurse community where we pass NCLEX. I'd like to see you there. Bye-bye.